Alright, we're back. It's kind of an interesting story. Got contacted by the good folks over at BuildMaven. They had a... What is this? Oh, it's adhesive. They got a tool they wanted me to take a look at here. The new Grease Zerk Rejuvenator in red. So, this is kind of interesting. These apparently come in several colors. Red, green, and black. I said, surprise me. Let's take a look at this thing. Well, it's got a little, it's got a seal on it, so you know it's original. I'll break that seal real quick. Try to keep the packaging nice. I didn't really look too much into this. They just contacted me, asked me if I'd like to take a look at it, and I said, sure, send it over. We'll pop her open. This is just an unboxing for now. I don't have a Zerk in my kitchen to test it on. Oh, wow. All right. Oh, that's just the... Okay. So we got some instructions. We got some extra, looks like O-rings. Try to get this down in the light. So if you don't know what these are, if you've got a Zerk on a piece of equipment that is like not accepting grease, it's real common in like skid loaders on like the bucket part where the dirt gets in there. The first thing I noticed, this is got a nice rubber sleeve to it. The thing is lubed up. That's just reality. So what you do is you put your penetrating oil. Can't even speak. Penetrating oil in here. That goes on your Zerk. Tappy tap tap. Let's read the instructions. See what the instructions say. The grease fitting cleaning tool is a powerful solution designed to address the long-standing issues faced with many individuals. Clogged grease fittings and the bearing. Oh, faced by many individuals, man. Sorry about the struggle on my read. I'm reading through my camera. Let's go to the instructions. Remove the piston. Fill it completely with non-aerosol solvent, such as penetrating oil or diesel. Insert the piston until the O-ring is sealed. Push the cleaning tool onto the clogged grease fitting. Nice. Tap the piston repeatedly with a hammer, avoiding attempts to forcefully blast through the clog. Vibration helps force the solvent in the clog, initiating chemical breakdown. If the clog doesn't clear immediately, leave the tool on the clog fitting, return after several minutes or hours, repeat the process. Once cleared, lubricate. Key points. Tapping, not forceful blasting. Lightweight hammer, small rapid taps. Not to be used with sealed paint. Interesting. So yeah, I mean, basically it's a situation where, like, say you're not taking grease, you've already taken your Zerk off, and you can't clean, it's not the Zerk, it's like in... So basically what this does is this pushes penetrating oil to try to break the clog out. Something that I know from past experience using similar tools is after you get the Zerk cleared with the penetrating oil, you got to grease the living crap out of that because you want to get that penetrating oil out. So you get a couple extra O-rings there. That's pretty neat. This is just the unboxing, just talking about the product. I will test this out. But I just got that in the mail, and my channel I do unboxings. So people have an idea what to expect if they order something or if they're interested in ordering something. That is, here I'll drop. I mean, that's a pretty solid chunk of metal there. I don't know if the sleeve is removable. It seems pretty tight. I can't make it slide. This thing here unscrews. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but we're going to take it off, take a look, see what's going on. Oh, just dropped a spring. There's a ball bearing in there and a spring. All right, note to self. I think that fell right between my feet. If I was a spring, where would I have gone? Well, we'll put that back in there in a second, like when I locate the spring, but there you go. I believe that has to do with the spring pushes the ball bearing up to seal it. Here's the spring, sorry. It's right there. So it looks like it's fairly symmetrical. I'm glad I didn't lose the ball bearing. See, you learn all sorts of fun stuff on this channel. So yeah, that's spraying pushes the ball bearing down to help keep the penetrating oil in while you're attempting to get it going. And obviously, as you hammer it, the spring compresses and lets the oil in. Pretty cool tools. Obviously, maintain your greasable Zerks, and you won't ever have to have that problem. But a lot of us live in reality, and sometimes you don't get to it, and you need something like that. And I've used similar items in the past, and they get it done. I think I got a floor jack I can practice this on. Unfortunately, we've got a bit of a winter storm going on right now, so I'm not going to be out zerking things. But yeah, pretty cool. Little unboxing. Thanks, BuildMaven, for sending that out to me. I appreciate that. And we'll get another video going here of me testing her out. Stay safe.